Hey guys, welcome back to Road Coffee Lens. This is episode 1 of BKK-NYC, Bangkok. BKK or Savannah Buhimi. Savannah Buhimi. Bangkok International Airport. Made it. From the airport, join the commute to Bangkok. Bangkok!
Any coffee that has that as a catchphrase is worth a try.
So I got to the hostel and had to wait to check in, so I went for a wander and found a coffee shop. The first coffee shop. The caffeine helped, carried on, found a strange fishing, shooting fish with bullets gaming shack. Came across this really kind of weird slash cool place that sold video games? No. You could play video games for money, and if you did well in the video game, you made money, but if you did badly at the video game, you lost all your money. It's gambling with video games.
It's all gone rubbish. I was doing so good. Now I'm on 3. I can't even afford 1 bullet. Oh, well. Finished. I had a roll, and then it ended.
So needless to say, I lost some money on that for a while. So I played, gambled, lost money, and moved swiftly on. So I headed back to the hostel for a well-deserved nap, and on the way I bypassed some temples. Man, I'm shattered. But it's a nice view. So I admired the view, had a nap, woke up, and headed back out. I found myself in Chulalongkorn University and another coffee shop. Coffee expectations so far exceeded. Khaosan Road adventure time! I got the bus there.
I have no idea where we're going.
And swiftly lost my bearings. So we got there and I walked through the road. Khaosan Road, pretty crazy, full of shops, stalls, hotels, motels, shacks, food vendors, people from all over the world just milling around. Some drunk, some high, some, like me, just bemused. Khaosan Road, walked. Time for street food. Yes, it was pretty amazing, and if I could, I would carry that lady around with me wherever I went, cooking me personal pad thai, forever, every lunch, dinner, breakfast, snack time, Lebanses. Pad thai. Thanks. Turns out I got the wrong roads, but it was just parallel to Khaosan Road. So I went down Khaosan Road and Pretty much the same, just a bit more. Next up, visit to Wachira Benjatat Park. It's pretty big, it's pretty nice, it was pretty beautiful, very relaxing. Kind of creepy. Eventually I got used to the music coming out of the trees and left to walk to the river to catch a boat back down to where I was staying. Standard through some back streets, big streets, no pavement streets.
Can we go or get the boat? Okay.
Building sites. I arrived at where the boat was supposed to be and it looked strangely like a dead end with some angry dogs.
Hey, whoa.
Turns out that's exactly what it was.
Hey, is there a boat this way?
No, this way.
That way?
This guy.
How do I go there?
Okay.
That road? Okay, thank you.
Finally, I was hastily redirected to the actual boat site.
Further. Where to go to Kai Kai? Yeah. What about Bangkok? Is it closed?
No boat ไม่มีเรือ
No boat.
ต้องไป
Kai Kai?
เกียร์กาย
Yeah? How much?
20
20.
ไม่รู้ว่า20 20
Hey, you said 2? Sucker. Thank you. Excellent. 20. Thank you.
The boat! Hooray! So as the sun set, the boat took me down the river and that ended my time in Bangkok. Alright guys, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'm Matt Blake, that was Road Coffee Lens, see you next time. Next time on BKK to NYC.